I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership. Gather the receipt, original box, or invoice that shows serial or IMEI. Once done, check whether you can sign in with the Apple ID used on the device. If not, contact the previous owner and ask them to remove the device from their iCloud account. Make sure you note serial/IMEI and prepare your Apple support account. These steps save time because Apple requires clear proof before helping to disable activation lock. Next, use legitimate channels to remove the lock. If you have the Apple ID, sign in at iCloud. COM and remove the device from Find My. This immediately disables activation lock once the device connects to the internet. If you rely on the previous owner, instruct them to remove the device remotely from their Apple ID. If neither option works, contact Apple support or book an appointment at an Apple store and bring original proof of purchase so they can verify ownership and assist. Finally, once Apple or the prior owner confirms removal, erase the iPhone and set it up with your Apple ID. This completes the process. If Apple requests more evidence, provide carrier records or the original payment confirmation. Make sure all documents match the device serial or IMEI. If things go wrong, verify the device is online and the previous owner actually removed it from iCloud, then reboot and try again. If issues persist, follow up with Apple support and keep all ownership documents handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.